It's time for...
Sarang Tanong!
Alright. Bebe Girl Mikey.
Yes!
Ayan na. Ito na, Mars.
Are you ready for your Tarantanong? May inamin si Mikoy sa last guesting niya dito. Sabi niya, nagkaroon daw siya ng feelings para sa'yo noon. Aware ka ba na nagkagusto siya sa'yo noon? Oo o hindi? No explanation? Oo o hindi lang muna? Go!
Oh! Grabe! Gusto mo pa!
Okay, now you explain. Kanina naririnig ko may mga sinasabi pa siya, Mars.
Ngayon, now is your real chance to explain.
Okay, fine. Mikoy and I are really good friends. We're best friends, actually. And yung dinaan na pandemic, parang kaming dalawa yung sabay kaming naging single, ganun. So, nasakto yung mood namin, yung vibe namin. And at one point, we both questioned, can this be more?
Okay.
And what was
We
the
both
answer?
asked. Tapos, parang, so kaya we always talked about it, parang, okay, parang wala pa sa timing noong time na yun until eventually, we just realized, no, I think we're meant to be friends. From the very beginning, yung ups and lows, open kami sa lahat. We talk about everything.
Because you're friends.
Yeah.
That's important.
Yung foundation talaga malinaw na
Doon ko
magkaibigan.
nakita, importante yung honesty.
Yes.
Honesty, yung trust kasi. So, yeah. We're good. We're super good.
Love it, love it.